So, hello everyone, this is Chitra Vaswani from Ravula Edu Services. In this video, I'm just going to guide you to like where to find the video lectures and where to find the notes so that you can access them easily. All right. So, I'll just share my screen, and here, as you can see, once you go to Ravindrababu.in, in that web login is there. Once you log in, basically, you will be asked number and OTP. As OTP time should not go, that's why I have just logged in. And here, as you can see, I have purchased the course. I'm just logging as a student, so here I have purchased the course of CS and DA. Okay, so once you go inside, you will see the content. Okay, and in content, see Gate CS, Gate DA. Okay, because my course is Gate CS and Gate DA, right, combo. In Gate CS also there are live and recorded lectures. Okay, in live also we have put the subjects which have been covered till now. Okay, so theory of computation, discrete maths and DBMS videos. In theory of computation, see in lectures, you may see lectures here. See this, there are a lot of lectures. You can just randomly open any one. So
okay, so yes can be any.
Yeah, so here you will be able to access a lecture. Okay, and once lecture is done, let me just come back. Here you will be able to see smartboard notes. Okay, and you will be able to see handwritten notes. Now in handwritten notes also, once you immediately click, it may not be visible immediately. Okay, but in 10 to 15 seconds it will be visible. See this. Okay, so handwritten notes are visible. Okay, so yes, content same like the Gate CS. Then here recorded content is there. Okay, previous live lectures and recorded videos are there. Okay, practice test, see discrete maths is there. Okay, video lectures are there. Okay, we have tried to make it structured way. Okay, so here video lectures, notes are there. Same, you can check. Just that sometimes handwritten note take like 10 seconds of time, but you will get that. Now practice questions and test, if you find less, don't worry. The thing is like here free test option is there. Okay, free test, we have uploaded many free tests as of now. You can just randomly go to any free test and try to attempt. Okay, and yeah, so you can just do next, and you can just you can just try to attempt the test. Okay, here once you attempt the test, then submit test option is there, and once you submit the test, you will be able to view the solutions as well. Just yeah, it's loading. So view solution. So I'll just make the separate video for test as well. All I want to say you here is that there is like whatever we have tried to upload here. See, everything is there. We have tried to make in structured way. So DBMS handwritten notes, see this. Yeah, as I told you 10 to 10 seconds it takes to load, but yes, we are good. And yeah, then and at my side, at admin side also, if you see here like my courses, in that suppose I select any other course like CS maybe 2029 or something, like or 2029, this suppose core plus we select. Okay, all I want to say that we have tried to maintain the structuring. So even if you have enrolled for core plus or any other course, so same way we have tried to maintain the structuring. See this, here live classes, in that live classes also folders are made. So actually what you may face is that here in this platform problem is that comparatively even if we are trying, but here this feature is not there of sorting. Okay, so don't worry, we are trying to just solve the thing, but all I can say is that in case numbering up down happens, you don't worry. Inside we have tried to maintain proper contents. Okay, so you don't worry about numbering if it is up down. At least we have tried to maintain the numbers, and accordingly you will find the thing. Okay, so I hope compared to previous experience, now your experience, I just hope it may be very smooth, and we are constantly trying to work hard on it. So if you have any query, you can directly ask us, you can message us, or you can WhatsApp us, or you can reach out to us on mail. All right, yeah, thank you very much for your cooperation till date. Okay, take care, bye bye.